Welcome to this guide on how to block a group member on Instagram using your PC, especially with the latest updates. If you've ever found yourself in a group chat with someone you'd rather not interact with, blocking them is a straightforward solution. Let's walk through the steps together. First, open Instagram in your web browser. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, look for the messages icon located on the left menu of your screen. This icon typically resembles a paper airplane and will take you to your direct messages. Next, navigate to the group chat that contains the member you want to block. Click on it to open the conversation. At the top of the chat window, you'll see an info icon. Click on this to access the group details. Once you're in the group information section, scroll through the list of members until you find the person you wish to block. Next to their name, there will be a small 3 dots icon. Click on these dots to reveal more options. In this menu, select Block. A confirmation prompt will appear asking if you're sure about this action. Confirm that you want to block this member, and they will no longer be able to send messages or interact with you in this group. And there you have it. By following these steps, opening Instagram, clicking on the messages icon, accessing the group info, and blocking the member, you can easily manage your interactions and maintain a more comfortable online environment. Remember that blocking someone means they won't be able to see your messages or send any new ones in that group chat. However, they might still see past conversations unless you choose to delete the chat entirely. If you're looking for a peaceful Instagram experience, these steps are essential for keeping unwanted interactions at bay. Thank you for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on navigating social media effectively.